What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing, if you read the title clearly, I'm going to be washing my hair. You're going to be watching me. You're going to see what I do, what I don't do. The last time I was here, I was doing a routine using Chinese products. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the description as well as in the cards above. And yeah, because if I was actually doing what I did in that video and I was using that dry ass elastin every single wash day, best believe I'll be looking like Caillou right about now. Like no hair follicles, no inches, no, just desolate. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I actually do, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry.
Righty K.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Time to beat up, the microphone's lonely, so it's time to do my thing right quick. The DJ be all day, can't quit. People wanna turn up, but for the wrong reasons. You can't prosper in the wrong seasons. You probably think.
Okay, so I just came back from washing my hair. Why is this out like this? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I washed my hair with the oh my god, it's hella dusty. I washed my hair with the shampoo from the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, and now I am going to just condition, or rather deep condition, with the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner, because this is the real MVP. Like, this is A1. So you know how that goes. People would say use 2 pumps, 1 pump. No, we using 10. Okay, we using 10. Damn, that water just flew. We using 10. Okay, we using 10.
And what does that mean, man? What I'm saying, every day you shouldn't be a heathen. Change gotta come to do it real big. You can blow up or get cut off quick, but for me, stopping not an option, cause I do it for my guy who's doubting. I could really care less though. If you're going against this, you're being careless, folks. Whatever, I gotta bring that fire, and I'm hungry, so rev up those fryers.
Cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers, fryers.
And for this, I try to tie them up high because I'm getting ready to go to sleep, basically. I just sleep with this overnight. They get a plastic bag, put it on.
Eventually.
Okay, what's up everyone? So I'm back. I rinsed out my hair. This is like actually a few days later because of my life. But yeah, what I do is I basically just start twisting my hair up, and yeah. So I just work in the sections that it's already in. And in each section, I'm just going to put some leave-in conditioner. This is the SheaMoisture Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. Same as like the shampoo that I used. So I'm going to just put that in my hair. And then I'm going to follow up with the Cantu coconut curling cream. And put that in my hair. And if you did this right, then your hair should already be pretty much detangled, so you don't have to really worry about like tangles and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna follow up with some olive oil. I used to use coconut oil, but I don't know. I started using olive oil, so I use olive oil. And yeah, now that that is all in and it is all smooth, you're gonna take a brush, brush it through. And then twist it up. And then you're gonna just repeat this all over your head. So now my twists are all done, all completed, you know. It should look something like this. You can let them dry overnight, or what I like to do is I just twist both of the sides and put it back into a ponytail. So it looks something like this, because your girl gotta go teach a class and change my clothes and get ready. So I just put it back like that. Just literally twist both sides. And then put it back into a ponytail. That way it is out of my face, out of the kids', you know, peripherals. Because Chinese kids love to touch things. And yeah, like this. Or you can wear your hair like this.
Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, cause I am sure hungry. Rev up those fryers, rev up those fryers. Rev 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 up those rev
If you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in, oh, hold up. And if you have a friend that you consider a friend, you truly in your heart of hearts consider them a friend, and you know that they struggling with their hair and you don't share this video with them, I'm judging you, sis. I'm judging you, sis. I'm judging you, bro. I'm judging you. Just know. So make sure you share this video with someone else who could use it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Sisterhood, Black community togetherness. You know what I'm saying? Like all that. Get it together. Okay. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.